Hello and welcome to the Disney Stranger channel. I'm the Disney Stranger, and today we are going to take a trip to the Riviera Resort at Walt Disney World. I've decided that in the next few weeks I'd like to take more trips to the Disney resorts, so I'm going to dedicate some vlogs in the upcoming months to resort exploration. So if you come with me today, we're going to head over to the Riviera. We're going to do a little exploration of the Riviera and take a nice leisurely walk over to the Disney Skyliner and take one of the gondolas over to the back exit of Epcot. But before we get there, we're going to take a look at the brand new Ratatouille ride that they're just putting the finishing touches on the outside. So I'm pretty sure they got it all done on the inside. They're just teasing us like mice, right? So come with me on today's journey to the Riviera Resort and the Disney Skyliner. Let's go! Hey guys, welcome to Disney's Riviera Resort. Check this out. This is the Caravanning Around the World RV and is a very special mode of transportation. It chauffeurs around Mickey Mouse and all his friends to each of the Disney resorts. I wonder who was dropped off here today at the Riviera. The doors were opened here on December 16th, 2019. It is part of the Disney Vacation Club and is located at Walt Disney World between Epcot and Disney's Hollywood Studios. The resort is centrally located to these two parks and is connected by the Disney Skyliner gondola system. And the Caribbean Beach Resort is in with walking distance to the Riviera. Hey, does anyone remember Le Petit Café? You know, the French cafe that was featured in Disney's Aristocats. Most of the resort is themed after Walt Disney's trips and experiences in Europe, and the love of French and Italian Riviera.
See, you thought you were gonna find him in the parks, and here he is hanging out chilling, like a villain. Yeah!
It's cool. Look at it. He just had him. Look at that.
Goofy's being goofy. Goofy's being goofy.
And the dog. Oh, come on.
This is a Riviera pool, meant for families staying here on property. This pool is the larger and more fun of the two pools here at the Riviera. Join me for a walk around the pool. here in the back corner we have S'il vous plaît, an interactive water play area for little mademoiselles and messieurs. Ugh, excuse my French. I know, that was bad, right? And this pool is the Beau Soleil pool, for a sexier, quieter adult swim. And just like the French Riviera, it is a topless pool. Oh, well, not for everybody, just for the guys. Sorry about that.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Riviera Resort. If you're just joining us, we are on our way to Epcot. Ladies and gentlemen, we invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the most magical flight on Earth.
Now granted, it's not super hot outside, maybe in the low 80s, and there is a cool breeze, but inside this cabin, there's a really cool breeze going through here. Now I can't attest to what it's like in the middle of the summer, but it's very nice in here.
We are now traveling along Buena Vista Drive. This roadway and the city of Lake Buena Vista were established in 1969 when Walt Disney World Resort was first being developed. They are both named after Buena Vista Street in Burbank, California, where the Walt Disney Company headquarters are still located today. Epcot International Gateway. When we arrive, remember to use your My Disney Experience mobile app to review your worldly itinerary for the day. Ladies and gentlemen, in just a few moments, we will be taking a scenic spin around the Skyliner turn station. Please remain seated. This station was designed for turning only. Coming into view is Disney's Boardwalk Inn and Disney's Boardwalk Villas. From elegant dining and magical lounges to lively entertainment just off the shores of Crescent Lake, this charming seaside resort relives the golden era of Atlantic Beach Town and turn-of-the-century amusement parks. If you are planning to visit World Showcase today, now might be a good time to practice your Olas, Ni Haos, and Konnichiwas. When you arrive at each nation's pavilion, cultural hosts will be waiting to greet you in their native language, helping make your visit to Epcot a truly international exchange. We are now arriving at Epcot. To all who come to this place of joy, hope, and friendship, welcome. Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your steps. Thank you for flying with us. Por favor, permanezcan sentados hasta que las puertas se abran automáticamente. Al salir de la cabina, por favor, cuide a sus pequeñitos, reúna sus pertenencias y observe sus pasos. Gracias por volar con nosotros.
Hi, Steve. Thank you, Steve. Hello. Thanks everyone for joining me on this Disney Stranger adventure from the Riviera Resort all the way over to the back entrance of Epcot, right over there. We really appreciate you guys checking out these videos. Thanks for coming along with me, and don't forget to walk forward.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel and walk forward. Bye.